Welcome to GalleFort, a historic gem on the southern coast of Sri Lanka. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, built by the Portuguese in 1588 and later fortified by the Dutch, stands as a testament to centuries of maritime history and colonial architecture. As you walk through the ancient gates, you step back in time. The massive ramparts built to withstand invasions still stand strong, offering a glimpse into the strategic military architecture of the colonial era. Inside the fort, cobblestone streets are lined with charming colonial buildings, many of which have been beautifully preserved. These structures reflect a blend of Portuguese, Dutch, and British influences, making GalleFort a unique architectural marvel. Don't miss the iconic landmarks like the Galle Lighthouse, which has guided ships to safety since 1848, and the Old Dutch Clock Tower, standing tall since 1883. Today, GalleFort is a vibrant hub of culture and commerce. You'll find quaint boutiques, artisanal shops, and cozy cafes where you can savor local delicacies and enjoy a leisurely afternoon. Explore the rich history at the National Maritime Museum, housed in a colonial warehouse, or visit the majestic Dutch Reformed Church dating back to 1755 to marvel at its serene beauty. As the day comes to an end, head to the fort walls for a breathtaking sunset view over the Indian Ocean. It's a perfect way to conclude your visit, soaking in the tranquil beauty of this historic site. Whether you're a history buff, architecture enthusiast, or simply looking for a picturesque escape, GalleFort offers something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time at one of Sri Lanka's most treasured landmarks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.